In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit documents Docusign tutorial, 5 minutes. We'll walk through how to update a draft, place or adjust fields, and how to fix a document that was already sent but hasn't been signed yet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect. Start by logging in to Docusign and opening your draft. A draft is simply an envelope you've started but haven't sent. If you don't see it right away, check your drafts filter. Open the envelope you want to edit and you'll land on the Prepare screen. Next, click Next to open the document editor. This takes you into the place where you add signature and form fields, assign them to recipients, and arrange everything on the page. In the editor, look to the left sidebar for the field tools. You can drag new fields like signature, initials, date signed, text, checkboxes, and more onto the page. When you select any field on the document, handles appear so you can move or resize it. If you need to remove something, select it and use the delete option. A quick tip: use the alignment guides that appear as you drag to keep fields neat, and check the properties panel to mark fields as required or to assign them to the correct recipient. Also, zoom in if you're placing small fields and use page thumbnails to jump around longer documents. When you're happy with your changes, choose Save and Close to keep working later, or click Send to distribute the updated document right away. Save and Close preserves your progress without notifying anyone, while Send emails the recipients with the latest version. If you want extra confidence before sending, preview the document to verify assignments and field placements. If the document has already been sent but not signed, you can correct it. Corrections are ideal for fixing typos, adjusting recipients, or replacing a file without starting over. Go to the Agreement tab, locate the envelope, and open it. Click Correct. This pauses routing for recipients who have not completed their part and brings you back into an editable view. From here, modify recipients, add or remove fields, or replace the document if the underlying file changed. Keep in mind that replacing a document may clear fields that were on the old version, so give it a careful once over. When you're done, click Correct again to send the updated version. Recipients who still need to act will get a new notification and see your latest changes. That's it. Save when you're still drafting, send when you're ready, and use Correct to fix anything that slipped through.